Aloha everybody, I'm Cheryl Hamilton and I want to show you a class I'm excited about that's coming up. We're going to make this stationery box organizer. It's really pretty. It has a new Unbounded Love Designer Series paper, and you just take the lid off and it opens up to have all these compartments that can organize things. So in the back, I have some cards, and I've used the same paper. The neat thing is some of the cards you're making, you're just going to leave them without a sentiment, and then your sentiments are in a little pocket. So that when every occasion comes up, you can just add, you know, a birthday or, you know, spending time with you. We're going to make a whole bunch of these, and then you can attach it to your card front, so it's all ready. The other pockets for either 3x3 cards or Post-its. You can also put some stamps in here. So I think you're gonna really enjoy this. And the class comes with one package of Unbounded Beauty Designer Series paper, which is beautiful. It has all the in colors with it. I'll provide the 12x12 you need for, and the basics you need for making your box. And it also comes with dimensionals, because you'll need those for your sentiments. Class is $40. I'm gonna be having an in-person class on June 1st at my house in Haiku, starting at 10 in the morning. And if you'd like to order the class to be mailed to you, then you'll just contact me, and this will include a PDF and the video. Okay, so thanks so much. Hope you guys sign up. Have a great day.